emotion start. Emotion, that's what your RS3 8 Epsilon facelift needs factory-wise. Hello fans, followers and customers, welcome today in the latest Edge Performance video. Today we have also the latest Audi RS3 here. The latest facelift of the 8Y, what a stunning car, it looks so awesome, and if you look at the details, it is really worth to have attention on these models. So the only thing that is missing factory-wise is, I mean, it's perfectly tailored for 99% of all the customers, but we enthusiasts and you as well, we need a little bit more here and a little bit more there. What is a little bit more? It is a little bit more sound, it's a little bit more sound from the back, by the OPF delete, by the catalytic delete, and it's more sound from the front, by the 5-inch intake system with the air guide. It makes just an awesome sound you cannot imagine. What we have to highlight, guys, listen carefully. Listen carefully. This is not street legal. It's a modification which is not allowed to drive on German road. This is just for race application or for export customers, like we have this customer here driving in foreign country on the racetrack. So it's not street legal. You're asking why I highlight this so often? Yes, because many customers ask us after these videos, I want to have this for my RS3, can we make this, can we approve this? No, we can't. It's simply not possible to get something street legal, which catalytics and which oxygen particulate filters are not longer in the game. 4-inch downpipe, as I told you, and it has the well-known adapted to the facelift OPF simulator box, and it has the chip box from Edge Performance, so you have the ability with your mobile phone and with an app just to switch between stock, sport, street and race mode. How much power does this give to you? I can show you. It is close to, I don't want to say unbelievable, but at least it's worth to have a look. Over 500 horsepower, and we made 2 attempts. In the first attempt it even delivered 511 horsepower and 670 to 680 Newton meters. The important thing here is we wanted to show with that, as long as the ECUs are not possible to access or only on an extreme expensive complicated way, this is a solution which fits maybe to 99% of the customers in the foreign countries, because you have an easy stage 1 or even stage 2. Imagine we add an intercooler to this downpipe and to this intake, then we will see easily 520 horsepower. That's not a joke, we have tested this already. So the intercooler is just what's missing in here to jump another 15 horsepower on top there. So a modification which gives you, without touching the ECU, gives you over 100 horsepower and over 100 Newton meters, and a nice sound from the starting of the engine. You have a hard emotion start, you have a nice driving sound from the front, from the rear, and that's all so easy to install for you. You can even install this in your own garage because you don't need anything to flash, to upload, nothing. It's just click, 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 and a few screws to turn in.
So it is directly available in our online shop?
Yes, you can order this in our online shop. We can export this to any country in the world. It fits to any 8Y facelift. The boxes, as well as the chip box and as well as the OPF simulator box, you can take this into any country. It fits to any model, and you can bump your power and your sound.
And is there engine check light?
No, no engine check light. Everything's fine, so you can run this daily and just enjoy the sound, as long as there is no better option with the ECU available. Or many of you may say, I like to make this option because I just put it in, and if I sell the car, I put it out. I don't need anybody. I just maybe need a lift, which I have at home, or my friend, or whatever. You know, it's just a simple evening project to turn this into a street beast. Any more questions? No? We're fine? Okay, perfect. So then let's close for today. 8Y facelift, sound, power, all in one. Take it from our shop. Here's the link. Cheers, bye-bye.